In this video, we will discuss about lymphocyte trafficking. Good morning. Welcome to YouTube channel, Bioconcept, Learn with Concept. The lymphocyte trafficking is also known as lymphocyte migration. In this process, lymphocyte, such as B cell and T cell, migrate from their origin to whole body blood and lymph, primary lymphoid organ, and secondary lymphoid organs, and inflammation part if needed. In case of B cell, it originates from bone and circulate through blood, then diffuse to lymph, and aggregate at lymph node, then recirculate. In case of T cell, it originates from bone marrow, and maturation in thymus, so it circulates to thymus by blood, then it diffuses to lymph, and then recirculate to whole body through lymph and blood. And when needed, lymphocyte move towards inflammation part as response to specific chemoattractant secreted by other cells.